Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common frustration, nodemon getting stuck on clean exit, waiting for changes before restart. It's annoying, but usually, it's a simple fix. Let's dive into the solutions. First, let's understand why this happens. Nodemon watches your files for changes. When it detects a change, it restarts your server. Sometimes, nodemon gets confused or can't properly detect those changes. This leads to the dreaded clean exit message. A very common reason is file access issues. Ensure nodemon has the correct permissions to read and watch your files. Check if your user account has the necessary rights. Running your terminal or IDE as administrator can sometimes resolve permission problems. Next, verify your nodemon configuration. Take a look at your nodemon.json file or the nodemon configuration within your package.json. Make sure the watch property is correctly set to the directories you want nodemon to monitor. Double-check for typos in directory paths. Also, look at the ignore property. You might accidentally be ignoring the files you want nodemon to watch. Another possibility is conflicting processes. Sometimes, another program might be locking the files nodemon is trying to watch. Close any programs that might be accessing those files. Your IDE, other terminal windows, or even background processes can cause conflicts. Restarting your computer is a drastic but sometimes effective way to clear any lingering processes. If you are using Docker, ensure file sharing is properly configured between your host machine and the container. Docker can sometimes interfere with nodemon's file watching capabilities. Double-check your Docker compose file or Docker run command to ensure proper volume mounting. Now let's explore environment-specific issues. If you're using a virtual machine, especially in tools like Vagrant, confirm that the file system syncing is working correctly. Virtual machines sometimes have delays in propagating file changes to the host system. Also, consider the file types nodemon is watching. By default, nodemon watches common JavaScript file extensions. If you are working with other file types that trigger server restarts, explicitly tell nodemon what file types to watch by using the ext flag followed by the file extensions you are interested in. Lastly, always ensure that your nodemon is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions sometimes have bugs that are fixed in newer releases. Updating nodemon is usually a simple npm install gnodemon. I hope this helps you resolve your nodemon issues. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this.